In iMovies, when you go to speed ramp a video, sometimes it doesn't speed up fast enough because you've reached the maximum. In this video, you're going to see how to deal with that particular issue. So please like and subscribe at the end of the video. Thanks. Go down onto the bottom menu bar, then click on the speed icon, that one there. Ramp the speed up, and you can see the couple dancing unusually fast now, but they're on speed. And you saw for a second there where they're dancing slower. In this iMovies video, you're going to learn about exporting, sharing your videos. So if you share, you can share to social media, you can share it to applications, Messenger, WhatsApp, all sorts. So you tap on the timeline, then you tap on done, and you get the option to export. You can then export to where you want. So to speed the video up, it's all the same process. You just start a new project, import the video that you've speeded up, and then ramp the speed up again, then exporting, then importing, importing until you've got the correct speed for what you want for your project, your video that you're creating.